Section 2.3 explores the relationship between zeros and coefficient. For a quadratic with zeros alpha and beta, we have these two formulas. Consider p of x equals 2x squared minus 8x plus 6. Factorizing gives 2 times x minus 1 times x minus 3. So the zeros are 1 and 3. Their sum is 4, which equals negative b over a. Their product is 3, which equals c over a. If alpha and beta are zeros of a x squared plus bx plus c, then the sum of the zeros equals negative b over a. The product of the zeros equals c over a psi. Since alpha and beta are zeros, x minus alpha and x minus beta are factors. Expanding gives k times x squared minus alpha plus beta times x plus alpha beta dot I. Comparing coefficients of x squared, x and the constant term, we get the sum and product formulas directly. For a cubic polynomial with zeros alpha, beta, and gamma, the sum of the zeros equals negative b over a. The sum of products of pairs of zeros equals c over a. The product of all three zeros equals negative d over a. Here is a memory aid for both formulas. For quadratic, sum equals negative b over a, product equals c over a. For cubic, there are three relationships. Sum equals negative b over a, sum of pairs equals c over a. Product of all three zeros equals negative d over a.